Here you can see there is a graph, table 1, question number 1. You have to complete this table for values of x from -3 to 3, while your graph is y is equals to 3 raised power x. Okay, so that is very simple. You have given exponential function y is equals to 3 raised power x, right? This is your function. Now, firstly, you will complete your table. Like you have given x and y axis, values of x are from -3 to 3. So -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2 and 3. These are the values of x that you can give in this function. Now if you place in this given function at place of x -3, it will become 3 raised power -3, right? It will become 3 raised power -2. It will become 3 raised power -1. It will become 3 raised power 0, right? This will become 3 raised power 1. This will be 3 raised power 2. And this will be 3 raised power 3. That means you have just given variation of x in this function. When you will simplify, it will give you 1 by 27. Because power is negative, you will convert it positive and you will write it in fraction form. It will become 1 by 9, right? It will become 1 by 3. Now 3 raised power 0 will become 1. It will become 3. It will become 9 and it will become 27. Now the fraction values, when you will write it in fraction form, so your answer will be like 1 divided by 27. That will be answer is 0.037. Okay. When you will divide 1 with 9, your answer is 0.11. And when you divide 1 with 3, so answer will be 0.33. Okay.
Yeah.
And this is remain same like 1, 3, 9 and 27. Now we will use this table to complete our graph. Okay. This is your graph of given function. Here you can see on your left side, your graph is like exceeding on this side. When you will increase your these values, this graph will come below. But there doesn't exist any point at which your graph will be exactly equals to 0. Like exactly will be on this x-axis. So if I want to find what is the asymptote of this graph, so this asymptote of this graph is x-axis. Why? Because you can see here this graph has much lesser distance from x-axis. Like when you will increase your values of x on your negative side, your graph will approach or will become more nearer to x-axis, but it will never meet x-axis. So because it is approaching x-axis, so that's why x-axis will be its asymptote. So for x equation, what is equation of your x-axis? That is y is equals to 0. That means y is equals to 0 is the equation of asymptote of this graph.